Hello and welcome to Current Tech Explorer. Today I want to discuss how you can use R to perform some beautiful manipulations of data. That is how you can order a data set using a column, and also how you can rank your data using that same column. Let's jump right in. Okay, so let us now demonstrate how you can do two things. The first is how to sort your data. Excuse me. Of course, the data we're dealing with here is an educational or an exam situation data, which we have as tests combined. This has already been demonstrated in our live stream. In case you didn't get that video, or you were not part of the live stream, do well to check my live streams and you will see how we came about this data. But let us view this data so that you can see what we're working with. Alright, so this is the data that we're working with. Just once this here. Course serial number, subject, we have just data score, and score. Alright, so now what we're going to do now is to do two things: sort the mean score column from highest down to lowest. Sort the mean score column from highest down to lowest. And now to do that, we're just going to write a very simple code, which is, let's say we call the new data set we will have as sorted, right? Sorted test data. Okay, we're going to go aside variable name to that data frame, and then the data of interest to us is test combined. So we bring it up, test combined, which is this. Then we're going to use the order function. So that will state for us to use the square brackets. So then we use the function order. Yes, so order. Now, since we want this data sorted in a descending order, we are going to use the minus sign just by the test combined data, and the column of interest will be introduced by the dollar sign on the keyboard. And then it will display the list of all the columns inside of this data, and then we'll take the one that is of interest to us, and then we'll end this code by including a comma. So when we run this data, let me just go ahead and also include the view function. So we use the view function to also check sorted. I think it will be test data. Right. So when we run this code, this problem here is sorted. So let's run the code, which is alright. So this ought to have been an underscore. Supposed to be an underscore. Alright. So when we run the code, it has now been processed correctly. And it has not been processed correctly. So if we must view it now, we view and see that the mean score column has now been pre-arranged such that the entire data has now been rearranged based on the descending order of the mean score column. Scroll down, the highest here is 95.2, and you go down to 66.6. So folks, this is how you order your data. And in ordering your data, we will do another thing. This other one says assign ordinal positions to the candidates. Of course, you know that the candidates have names. These are just article names. So that is that. Now, to order this, we need to rank the data. To assign position to it, it means we're going to do what is called ranking. So to do that, we call the data set, which is sorted test data. And we're going to create a new column, and that column will be called position. And to do that, we introduce the $sign and then type position, or you can just say students underscore position. Okay, this will be assigned variable name. Then after doing that, we use the function rank. Okay, the function rank. Then excuse me, we also again use the negative sign so that the ranking will also be ordered. So we use that, and then the data of interest here is test combined, right? So test combined, and then we target a particular column, which is this column. Then we introduce the method called ties dot method. That means that the minimum position will be assigned to the highest mean score. So now when we run this, it has explained correctly. So let's go ahead and view it now. View sorted data. Okay, I think this should have been sorted data. Let's use sorted data here. Okay. Sorted test data. So let's click on that. So view sorted data, sorted test data. Now we view it. As you can see now, student position. Let's see the spelling error here. That's not the issue. The guy that's called 95.2 is actually the position. We call that to the guys that's called 91.6, 91.4. Those two have the 5th position. Then you notice that there's no 6th position. That has 7th position. All the way down now to 10th, and then the 13th, and then the 15th, and so on. I can really correct this spelling by going back to this place and just type the right thing, run the code, and review it. You can see the spelling has been corrected, or maybe another column has been deleted, which this one can easily be deleted. And to delete that, we simply will say sorted just data, the $sign, will come with this, which is the one that we're interested in deleting. We'll assign no to it. Now as soon as that is run, and then again view sorted data, sorted test data, we will have that line already with that column already deleted. So thank you very much for watching this one. Once again, if you like what you saw in the course of the video, please do well to subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and join my live streams as I present them. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful evening.